How to download AVS on Windows. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily download the AVX on your Windows. So what you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and then simply search for AVX. So go ahead and hit enter, and then on the next tab you're going to have to search for HW info. Hit enter, click on the first link that you see. Now from here, you're going to have to install the free download. Click on the download button and then choose the installer here, right on top. Just go ahead and select free download and choose local US. Once you do that, it will you can start the download from here. Once it has been downloaded, just click on it to open and run the exe file. Just wait for a bit and click on yes and allow the permissions for the app to install. Click on OK, click on next, and then click on accept. Tap on next, and then save it right here. Click on install. Wait for a bit and the installation will be complete. Now if you finish it, it will launch the application. Click on yes. Now click on start on full mode. It will start the configuration, and if it shows AVX right here in green, that means it's available on your PC. So you're going to have to run a few commands on command prompt for this. So as you can see here, I have the AVX on green, which means that it's available for me. Open the start menu, type in CMD and run it as administrator. Click on yes. And then right here, you're going to have to type in these commands. So just simply pause the video and type in these three commands turn by turn, hit enter, and you should be good to go. After that, give your PC a restart and your AVS will be successfully installed. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.